Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to delete friends on Uno. To delete friends on Uno, first of all open up the Uno mobile application on your mobile device. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the Friends button at the bottom. Inside the Friends tab, you will be able to see your list of friends. Select a friend you want to delete and tap on their profile picture. If you want to unfriend or delete the friend, click on the Unfriend button in red at the bottom. Confirm unfriending your friend by clicking on Delete, and you have successfully deleted a friend from your friend list on Uno. So that is how you can easily manage your friend list or remove friends from Uno in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.